Hello, my name is Krita Ayers, and this is SPCE 619, Section 807 with Dr. Diana Wilson, and it is November 3rd of 2024. Alright. Behavioral analysts refrain from romantic or sexual relationships with clients, stakeholders. This is romantic relationships. Behavioral analysts put their clients first and make sure they are safe by knowing and complying with laws and regulations surrounding responsibility to clients. Right, the treatment that affords the most favorable a risk to benefit ratio with specific considerations of probability of treatment success. The principle of least restrictiveness. Behavioral analysts exercise caution and adhere to professional guidelines when using social media. I think social media use, but I'm not sure. Behavioral analysts participate in professional development activities such as attendance, maintaining competency. Behavioral analysts work with clients in a way that minimizes harm. Pass on that. Relation time. Related to consent, the expression of approved or agreement with coercion, that's assent. The direct recipient of a behavior analysis service, that's client. Behavioral analysts arrange for appropriate conclusions within referrals to other providers, consulting with other providers. Operation according to the ethical precepts provided for volunteers and or informed consent by clients, or this is ethics. Behavioral analysts maintain awareness that their professional biases or challenges, mental or physical, this is just personal bias. A process for determining the potential risk and benefits of a procedure should conclude with more potential benefits to the client. So risk-benefit analysis. Delivery of information, digital or otherwise, in a public forum for the purpose of either better or informing the audience who providing. This is just public statements. Right. Behavioral analysts always cite others' work and do not present any part of someone else's work. This is plagiarism. Behavioral analysts must speak of how the environment is affecting client behavioral analysts carefully establish the terms of a signed contract when providing services at the request of a third party. This is third party contracts for service. Behavioral analysts communicate at the beginning of their relationships that they must refrain from giving or accepting gifts, giving and receiving gifts. Behavioral analysts define and document their role in writing before providing services, practicing within a defined role. A legal process granting the guardian, often a parent or adult sibling, permission to make decisions on behalf of an adult who is guardianship. Behavioral analysts practice only within their identified scope of competency. This is practicing within scope of competency. Right. There are ethical concerns about some practices within ABA, such as the use of aversive techniques, punishment-based procedures, and the potential for coercion. Ethical concerns, / criticisms of ABA. Professional activities. Behavior analysts can constantly perform within competency as a scope of competence. Right. Family Education Rights and Privacy Act, federal law that protects the privacy of students' education records and gives parents and eligible students certain rights. This is the FERPA. an expression or a demonstration of disapproval or unwillingness to participate that includes a change in behavior. All this is assent withdrawal. Behavioral analysts ensure that they only accept clients whose requested services align with their recognized experience and available resources. Accepting clients. Court ruling that placed limitations on the duration and conditions of timeout. Hancock versus Avery, I believe. Okay, cool. Landmark federal court case in Alabama addressing individuals who are involuntarily committed to state institutions because of mental illness or developmental. Wyatt versus Stickney. Then Health Insurance Probability and Accountability Act, a law enacted in August 1996 that issued privacy regulations governing individual identifiable health information. This is just HIPAA.